Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers. It's Good to Be King. From the record Wildflowers, I believe. Cool, we're in standard tuning. And let's go. We got E minor, the song is in E minor. 1, 2. To an A minor. 1, 2, 3. To a D. Add 9. Add 2. So just 1, 2. Don't add this finger. Leave the E string open. So 1, 2, 3 minor A. To D. So that's the first part of the verse, and then we have so if you can play that, that's the second part when they go so over the E, grab a G and then play the 5th in the E, which is 2nd fret A string. To A major, make that a sus, raise the pinky, to G major, 2, 3, and D. Okay, so let's do the bridge again. Pre-chorus. Let's do the first part, the verse and the pre-chorus first. 3, 4. That melody is basically, if you can't get that, it's basically C, G, D, 2, 3, and then C, G, E minor. So that melody is over those chords. So, what we see, 3, 2, open A string, and then G. Play the G chord, open A, and then 2A. To D. And then you end on A. A sus and A. That's all the 3 parts. We have verse, just for a while. It's good to be king. Down, up, down, down, and A minor. Down, up, down, D, opening string. To G. comes that quick switching. A sus and A. Guitar solo. Then it's another verse here, a shorter verse. No, same. And after that, they go into straight away. 2 times. There. E minor. The outro, the verse is outro. Awesome. Cool. So let's review all the parts before we end the lesson. Verse, just E minor, A minor, D with high E string open. And then it ends with over E minor there. And then we go to A sus. This is the pre-chorus. And then G major and D major. And then we have the hardest part, which is but again, like I said, if you can't play that, just go C, G, D, 2, 3, C, G, E minor, and A sus, and Cool. Thanks so much for tuning in. What a great song. Bless his heart. I love Tom Petty. I'll see you tomorrow with more cool songs, guys. Be safe. Thank you.